Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten password on your Hearthstone game account. So let's get started right away. Now you can use the battle.net application, but it is better to use your web browser. So open up your web browser and then type in battle.net in the address bar and press enter. You will now be taken into the official battle.net website. Now click on the account icon at the top right corner and then click on login. And this will take you into the login portal, where you will be asked to enter your email address and your password or use your social accounts. Now click on Can't Login at the bottom section and then click on Forgot Password. You will now be asked to enter your email address or your phone number. So type in the email address or phone number that is associated with your account and click on Continue. You will then be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your email address or your phone. So check your inbox or your SMS and you should find this code. Once you find it, just enter this code within the given verification box and click on Continue. You will now be allowed to create a new password for your account. Go ahead and type in your desired new password and then type it in once again for confirmation. You can then click on Continue, and now your password has successfully been updated. You can click on the login button to proceed forward with logging in using your newly set up password. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on your Hearthstone game account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.